Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a back to school makeup routine. I don't know why, I've always really wanted to film one of these videos. Actually, now that I think about it, I actually might have. But anyway, this is just gonna be a natural makeup look, nothing too crazy. You can wear this any day. But yeah, that's all. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, first we're gonna go in with just a tinted moisturizer. This is my favorite one. I've been actually using this since middle school. I usually don't wear face makeup, but I like wearing this in the summer. Oh my god, why do I have like baby hair? Anyway, I wear this in the summer. I feel like it's just a nice touch to the face, especially if you have a hard time tanning on your face. This will just kind of make it easier. Or not. Oh my god, I can't speak today. It'll make it, you know, you'll look tanner. I'm just gonna blend it out with a brush. I can't believe it's already August and it's already back to school season. I feel like time gets faster and faster every year, and it's so scary because there is nothing we can do. Especially if you get scared of the future and growing older. I know I do. And the good thing about this, since it's a tinted moisturizer, it doesn't feel heavy and it makes your skin look super glowy. And like I said, you'll look tanner. There's also SPF in it, I think. Yeah, so that's oh so good. Next up, I'm just gonna go in with the smallest amount of concealer. Concealer cakes up pretty bad for me. I just have super dry skin, so it doesn't always look good. And when I say doesn't always, I mean never does. I'm literally just gonna put the tiniest dot like that. You can put a little more if you want, up to you. Give my face a little oomph. But we're keeping this look simple and natural anyway. Make sure it's nice and blended. This makeup look is honestly like my everyday makeup look. Whenever I do makeup, this is what I usually do, besides the face stuff. This is gonna add a nice, simple lift to your face. Okay, that's all nice and blended. We're just gonna go fill in our eyebrows a little bit. I'm using the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal. And I just kind of do the top part of my eyebrow. I don't really get too much into the brow itself. It takes like 5 seconds too. I really don't do much. I just want the... I'm blanking so bad. It's like 7 in the morning. I keep waking up at 6:30. So I don't really know what's happening to me. I guess my body's adjusting. Once upon a time, I used to wake up at 6:30 p.m. All right, just gonna brush them through to blend it out. Okay, now our face and eyebrows are done. My eyelash curler is literally cooked. Or my sister's eyelash curler, I could say, because mine despawned and I don't know where it went. So I'm actually gonna go rob my sister's. I'll be right back.
5 minutes later.
Okay, I am back with a better eyelash curler. So like I said, just gonna curl our lashes. Make sure you don't pinch your eye. Look how good this eyelash curler works, like period. Put on any mascara. Just throw that on really quick. You can put on as much as you like. I usually put on a hefty amount, can't lie. But they don't look like spider lashes amount. We don't want spider lashes. That is the last thing we want. I'm sure you guys know how to put on mascara. Ta-da! Cute, cute, cute. Gonna put some on my bottom lash now. Okay, first eye's done. If you get any mascara on your eyelid, you can just keep that there for a second because we're gonna go in with another coat after it dries. In the meantime, we're gonna do our other eye. Okay, once you're done with that, like I said, we're gonna go in with another coat of mascara. I'm just gonna use whatever's left on the brush. I'm not gonna dip it back in because I don't want to accidentally overload it and have spider lashes. But now our lashes are done. And now if you have any mascara on your lids, you can take a Q-tip and just wipe it right off. Don't click off the video yet. We're not done. The next step is actually the most important. The next step is what puts it all together. You want to get a black eyeliner pencil. Bear with me. I'm about to look freaking ridiculous, but I promise it's going to look so good. We're going to open our eyelid and we're gonna put it on our waterline. Called tight lining, and it just makes your eyes pop. Get all the extra off my eyelid and on my bottom waterline. And then last but not least, of course, you can't forget the lip gloss. And ta-da, you are all done. Wait, let me take down my hair. Okay, now you're all done. This is the final look. Super simple, pretty and nice. Okay, well, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment if you have any other video ideas. But that's all until then. I will see you guys next week. Bye.